there is a new innovation in the DCAM system. With your company vehicle drivers being on the road more than 6 hours a day, you as the company owner can't possibly sift through all this footage on a daily basis. So what is this new DCAM artificial intelligence system all about? Well, this system actually monitors the driver for you. Using the camera facing the driver and some clever onboard computing, the DCAM system can calculate a few things. For example, when the driver is distracted by his phone, busy making a call, tired or sleepy, or even when he's smoking. Using the front-facing camera, the system can warn the driver when he's veering off the road, and it will even warn him if there's a possibility of a collision about to happen. As a company owner, now you'll only receive notifications of a few events during the day, making you happier. Digit, why go anywhere without it?